people are able to join now?
Goa.
No, why were you not able to join, Pooja? Sachin and Kalyani, Mayuri.
Actually the link activated now. म्हणजे ते link maybe expired असेल.
No. You have joined on the same link, right? So
Yes.
It's okay. I'm sorry, rest. We just did some workout and some high intensity. We are already sweating. And generally what happens is I keep my phone on silent when I'm working out. So, wrong ID. अगं हे नाही आहे. काही लोकांना जॉइन नाही करता येत आहे. That's the problem. Check ना please. Wrong ID म्हणतात आहे. I think 13 participants have already joined now. Shouldn't be a problem. Permission वगैरे? No. I have not kept any permission. Liana was also able to join now. Join with your meeting. With meeting ID and let's start again. We'll do 7 Surya Namaskars now. First, I will demonstrate how to do it. I will demonstrate how to do 1 Surya Namaskar and then rest everyone will follow. Okay? First, come on the front of your mat. If you're not comfortable with the shoes, you can take out your shoes now. Not a problem. Anyways, will not need our shoes. Get your yoga mat. Okay. Come in the front of your mat. Now the posture back is completely straight. Feet completely joined, knees joined, and your thighs completely contracted. Okay? I'm just demonstrating it first. Have a look and then we'll do it together. Feet joined, shoulders rolled back, back straight. Look at front, hands near your chest. Take a nice long deep breath and go back. Back. Slowly exhale and come down. Make sure you're doing it right. Exhaling, exhale and come down. Try to touch your head to your knee. Then here we exhale, right leg back, inhale and look up. Left leg back. Now here we will hold our breath. Hold your breath. Tuck your tummy completely in. Dandasana, higher plank posture. Your butt should not be like this. Keep your butt downwards. Higher plank. Look straight. Look strong. Your palms are pressing on the ground and look straight. This is 5. Now keep your knees, chest and forehead touching on the ground. Rest. Your elbows are touching your body. And we are just inhaling normal. Inhale and exhale. Now slide roll back your shoulders. Look up. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Wait here for some time. 8, Parvatasana. Touch your heels on the ground and head down. Now, in this posture, your tummy is again completely tucked in. Your heels are not in the air. Your heels are on the ground. शायद सबको नहीं आएगा, but जितना हो सकता है उतना stretch करो. Try to touch your heels on the ground. Tuck your tummy in and look at your navel. Navel मतलब अपने बेंदी की तरफ देखना है. Parvatasana. Now, if you have kept your right leg back at the first, take the same leg front in between your palms. Again, look up. Left leg ahead. Exhale. Try to touch your head to knee. Inhale, back bending. And namaste. Okay? Let's do it together now. Maybe first 2 times you won't be able to do it, but then rest. We will be doing this every day, so you'll get a nice practice of this. I am turning off the muting on, so that everyone will only hear me. Yes. Try. Give your best. Come in the front of your mat. Feet joined. Thighs contracted completely. Shoulders rolled back. Back straight. Hands to your chest. Take a nice long deep breath in. And go back. Backward bending. Exhale and slowly come down. Uttanasana. Try to touch your palms on the ground. And head to knee. Try करो. सर आपको नी के तक ले जाना है. 4, right leg back and look up. 5, left leg back. Make sure your posture is correct. You're not like this. You're here. Higher plank. Dandasana. Look straight. Touch your knees, chest and forehead to ground. Elbows touching your body. Do not hold your breath. Just keep breathing normal. Now slide. Come up. Roll back your shoulders and look back. Bhujangasana. Eight, Parvatasana. Try to touch your heels on the ground and look at your navel. Tuck your tummy in. पेट पूरा अंदर ले लो. Elbows stretched completely. Palms on the ground. Right leg ahead and look up. Ashwa Sanchalan. Left leg ahead. Again, try to touch your palms on the ground and head to knee. Inhale and back bending. And exhale. Okay, now we'll do them a little faster, at the faster pace. On the counts. Take a nice long deep breath in. And go back. Exhale and come down. 3, 4, one leg back. 5, other leg back. Tuck your tummy in. Touch your knees, forehead and chest to ground. Keep breathing normal. 7, roll your shoulders back. Bhujangasana. 8, Parvatasana. 9, right leg ahead. Ashwa Sanchalan. 10, other leg ahead. 11, back bend. And 12. Let's do 3 more Surya Namaskars at the faster pace. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Continue. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Relax. Now, just keep your hands on the sides, besides you. Take a nice long deep breath and relax. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now, one last Surya Namaskar. We will hold each posture for 5 seconds. Okay? Let's do it together. Again, come in the front of your mat. Shoulders roll back, back straight, feet joined, hands to your chest. Take a nice long deep breath in and back. Exhale and slowly come down. Now, stay here. 1, 2. Try to touch your head to knee and go low as much as you can. 4, 5. Right leg back and look up. Ashwa Sanchalan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left leg back. Dandasana. 1. Tuck your tummy in. पेट पूरा आंख ले लो. 2, 3, 4, 5. Touch your knees, forehead and chest to ground. Elbows touching your body. This is your relaxation posture. Make sure you take nice breaths and be comfortable. Seven, Bhujangasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 8, Parvatasana. Heels try करो touch करने का ground पे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right leg ahead between your palms and look up. Ashwa Sanchalan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left leg ahead. Again, try to touch your palms on the ground and head to knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale and back bending. And exhale. Relax. Everybody would be tired. Let's do Shavasana for some time. Back on niche. Sleep on your back. Lie down on your back. पैर में एक फीट अंदर ले लो और keep your legs comfortably apart. Palms completely open towards the sky. Ceiling की तरफ हाथ. Fingers naturally curled. जितना हो सकता है हाथ भी comfortable रखो. Close your eyes. आंखें बंद करके just concentrate on your breath. Your breath rate is high now. Let's calm it down. Keep breathing normal. Do not hold your breath. Keep breathing nice and slow. Shavasana is a posture wherein we release all the stress that we just had on our muscles. पूरा body हम completely relax करेंगे अभी. जैसे मैं जिस body part का नाम लेती हूँ, वहाँ you have to concentrate and just relax those muscles. Relax your feet. पैर की उंगलियां थोड़ा सा you can move. Relax your calf muscles. Relax your knees and the muscles around. घुटनों पे थोड़ा सा प्रेशर आया होगा, वहां के मसल्स को रिलैक्स करो कॉन्शियसली. Relax your thighs. Just contract your thigh muscles. थोड़ा सा contract करो और फिर again release and just relax the muscles. Relax your lower abdomen and hip area. Don't keep it contracted, just relax the muscles there. Relax your stomach. अभी हमारा breathing थोड़ा सा normal हो रहा है. So relax the muscles near your stomach. Relax your chest. Relax your hands. Relax your neck. Relax your face muscles, and the top of the head. Only focus on your breath, the incoming and outgoing breath, and just try to be relaxed. Slowly and steadily, you can just move your legs and hands a little. पैर की और हाथों की उंगलियां थोड़ा सा मूव कर सकते हो अभी. You can move your legs along. पैर पूरा lower body भी मूव किया तो चलेगा. Slowly, you can open your eyes and just look at the next posture that we will be doing. Lie down, no problem. Lie down. You can just have a look. The next posture is Uttan Padasana, wherein your palms are completely pressing on the ground. Legs are joined. Inhale and take your legs up. Now from here, your toes are completely towards you, towards your body. And my legs are completely stretched. I'm not bending them in the knees, and we'll just keep them stretched towards our body. Palms again pressing on the ground, and just stay here. I will count and we will stay here for 15 seconds. Okay? Now while keeping down the legs, exhale and keep it down. Okay, let's do it together. Palms pressing on the ground. Inhale, take your legs up. Toes pointing towards your body. And now here, keep your breathing normal. जैसे normally breathe करते हो, वैसा breathing रखो. Stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Don't bend them. Keep them straight. 8, 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Last 5. Come on, be there. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly exhale and keep your legs down and relax. Relax completely. Now slowly turn on your right side and lie on your stomach. Lie on your stomach. Palms pressing on the ground. Bhujangasana करना है हमको अभी. I will show you, demonstrate you first. Your elbows are not like this. They are touching your body. Your palms besides your chest. Chest के साथ में रखना है. Head on the ground. Forehead on the ground. Now, with the inhale, inhale and slowly come up completely. Your shoulders are rolled back and your shoulders are not like this. They're completely stretched down. Elbows straight and legs completely stretched and look up. This will give a nice stretch to your lower back. जो भी आपके lower back के issues है, हम दिन भर बैठते हैं, उसकी वजह से lower back pain होता है. Tummy या फिर bum पे भी थोड़ा सा तकलीफ होता है. So this will release all the muscles and you will feel relaxed on your spine because we are activating the spine. Look up. आपको पेट पे भी बहुत अच्छा stretch आएगा यहाँ पे. Okay. Now while going down, exhale and go down. Now once you reach here, your breathing should be normal. You are not holding your breath. कोई भी breath hold नहीं करेगा. We will be normal breathing. Keep our breathing normal. Let's do it together. सब लोग साथ में करते हैं अभी. Palms pressing on the ground, elbows touching your body, forehead touching on the ground. Inhale and come up. Nicely stretched and look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9. Be there. Last few seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale and slowly come down. And relax. You can keep your palms one on the other and just relax your. पेट पे बच्चे कैसे सोते हैं वैसा फील आएगा अभी आपको. Generally we don't sleep on our stomach, so just relax your stomach. Be here for some time. Once you're done, once you're relaxed, slowly come up and sit in Vajrasana. This is Vajrasana, wherein your hip is between your heels. Okay, and you're not touching on the ground, you are sitting on your heels. This is Vajrasana. Let's sit in Vajrasana. Take your hands ahead. Slowly rotate them. Take them up. Tadasana. Stretch yourself like somebody is pulling you from up. And just keep your breathing normal. Stretch. This is a nice complete stretch to your body. Slowly take your hand down and relax. Now take your right hand up, keep it back. With your left hand, just press your right elbow, press it down, give a nice stretch to your hands. Other side.
Apurva, can you be a bit closer?
Yeah, sure. Yes, now can you all see me? Okay. Now take your right hand ahead, right hand. With your left hand, press that hand back. Other hand, left hand ahead. Press it back with the right hand. Again, keep your fingers tangled and just take your hand up and just side stretch. Come in between. Inhale and exhale on your right. Give a nice stretch to your left part, left body. If you are tilting on your right, come in between. One more time. Inhale and stretch on your left. Now give a nice stretch to your right side. Come in between. Inhale, exhale on your right. Come in between and relax. Let's stand up. And we'll do just quick leg stretching. Yes. Take your right leg ahead. Right leg. Keep your left knee a little bent and right leg completely stretched. Try to keep your back straight. Go down and just try to touch your head if possible. If not possible, just be here. Give a nice stretch to your leg, hamstrings. Keeping your left knee a little bent. Other leg. Right leg little bent. Left leg stretched. Look down, try to go down. Come up. Come up. Your knee, bend your knee and take your leg up. Stretch it. Other leg. Stretch. Give a nice stretch to your back and the complete hamstrings. Okay. Grab your ankle, पैर को, try to touch your heel to your buttocks, right butt. Give a nice stretch to your front thighs now. Down, other leg. Relax. Okay, one last time, one Tadasana. Take your heels up. Hands, interlock your fingers, hands up. And heels up. Focus at one point. एक सामने point लाओ और उसकी तरफ देखो so that you can balance your body. And just stretch your body up. Stretch nicely. Last 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Relax. Thank you. We are done with today's session. Any comments, suggestions are welcome. Unmute yourself, and I'm extremely sorry about, I don't know what happened. Few people were not able to join. All those who were not able to join, just ping me personally. I will have some solution for you. I will get some solution for you. जिन्होंने पहले miss किया, it was a complete fat burn session. Day 1, how was it?
Nice.
Oh,
Very good.
ऍक्च्युली ना जास्त लिंक पाठवली आहे ना त्याच्यामध्ये ना ते टायमिंग जे होतं ना 6 PM to 7 PM होतं.
no problem.
त्यामुळे
नाही ती लिंक कालची होती.
कुठली?
जी 6 to 7 होती ना, कारण कोणीतरी त्याच्यावर मेसेज केलेला.
मे बी ती जुनी लिंक होती.
कारण मी पण पहिले त्याच्यावर जॉईन केलेला.
Every meeting will be a different session. Every meeting will have a different ID and a link. So मैं जो भी 4 बजे, so suppose आज मैंने जो भी 4 बजे भेजा था, that is your link for that particular session. Okay? तो कल वाला लिंक ज्वाइन मत करो प्लीज. Every day I'll be sending you a new link. Okay? Okay, now I want session feedback for everyone because we have done it for the first time. All those who have already done my session earlier or who have joined my session earlier, let's let others speak. I want their view also. So I want people who have joined me for the first time speak out. Instructions कैसे थे, clear थे, नहीं थे, हिंदी में बोलना चाहिए. Yes, I want to hear from you. Hi, Nivedita Didi, I cannot hear you. I just can see that you are talking, but then I cannot hear you. Okay, ठीक है, you call me, no problem. Rest, unmute yourself and tell me. क्या और
वेदांची मावशी बघायची.
yes.
हाय पूर्व.
Hi Pooja.
अनम्यूट सांग.
Hi, tell me. किसी ने hi बोला अभी, कुछ बोलना है?
सना ऍक्च्युली मध्ये खूप वेळा व्हिडिओ पॉज होते, सो आय मिस लॉट ऑफ दॅट.
Okay, so I have a suggestion for you. Liana Didi, were you able to hear me clearly this today?
Very clearly.
Very
No, yes,
No static voice.
no static voice.
Cool. So I just have figured out कि जो भी पहले Zoom link use करते थे और they used to log in without downloading the app, उनको थोड़ा सा problem आ रहा है. So what you do, just download app on your phone or on your laptop. जहाँ पे भी आपको ज्वाइन करना है उसका डेस्कटॉप वर्जन भी है और ये अपना मोबाइल वर्जन भी है. डाउनलोड करो एंड यू आर नॉट सपोज टू साइन इन. आपके पास अगर आईडी नहीं है तो भी चलेगा. मैंने जो भी लिंक भेजा है पासवर्ड आता है. जस्ट टाइप एंड ज्वाइन. ओके Sana, you can try that because I have just tried with someone who was facing issue. तो वो थोड़ा सा इशू है.
ओके.
Yes. Others, instructions clear थे? Instructions clear थे? Were you able to understand?
या
थोड़ा सा इंग्लिश में session. तो some people might not understand. वो थोड़ा सा पहले difficult होगा 1-2 sessions में, उसके बाद you all will be fine with that, I guess. But then अगर कुछ नहीं समझता है तो बोलो.
No, it was nice.
Okay, thanks Poonam.
Should I leave because I have to do
Yes. I
okay.
will not take anybody's more time. I just
अपूर्वा, आता ऐकू येतंय?
हो येतं, बोला.
ऍक्च्युली मला सूर्यनमस्कार करायचं नाही सांगितलेलं, तरी मी आज 4 केले. मला काही त्रास नाही झाला. मी कंटिन्यू करू शकते.
Yes, you can do it. Continue करा. सूर्य नमस्कार are the best cardio exercise. मी सूर्य नमस्कारचा एक व्हिडिओ पण बनवणार आहे, लवकरच तो येईल इंस्टाग्रामवर. सो त्याचे बेनिफिट्स अँड इल इफेक्ट्स नाही आहेत त्याचे, जर व्यवस्थित इनहेल एक्सेल करून केला तर. मी सांगत जाईन तुम्हाला कसं करायचं आहे ते. वी ऑल विल लर्न मे बी स्मॉल लिटल थिंग्स, बट वी ऑल विल लर्न न्यू थिंग्स इन दीज डेज.
आणि मला अजून विचारते, चिया सीडचा काय फायदा आहे सांगू शकशील?
चिया सीड्स दोज आर गुड फॉर युअर डायजेशन. तुमच्या बॉडीमध्ये जी हीट असते, ऍसिडिक बॉडी जी असते ती,
माइन इज ऍसिडिक बॉडी,
सो काम डाऊन करायला दॅट विल हेल्प यू. चिया सीड्स
कसं घ्यायचं आणि कधी हे सांगशील जरा?
ओके. सकाळी रात्रभर भिजवत टाकून सकाळी घेतलं तरी चालेल. किंवा वन मोर ऑप्शन, एक्सरसाइजच्या आधी 1 तास भिजवून ठेवायचं. यू कॅन हॅव इट ड्युरिंग द वर्कआउट, आपण जेव्हा करतो तेव्हा. और देर इज वन मोर ऑप्शन, एक्सरसाइजच्या आधी 1 तास घ्यायचं. म्हणजे आपण पाणी पितो ना थोडंसं, 1 ग्लास पिलं तरी चालेल.
त्याच्यात काही दुसरं ऍड नाही करायचं, फक्त पाण्यामध्ये घ्यायचं. नमक किंवा सॉल्ट असं काहीच, मीठ साखर घ्यायचं. ओके. ते लवकर भिजते, लवकर
भिजतं. सब्जाच बोलतीये ना तू? सब्जा.
नाही, चिया सीड वेगळं आणि सब्जा वेगळं.
ओके, चिया सीड्सचं मला थोडंसं बघावं लागेल. चिया सीड्स आय विल टेल यू. मला एक्झॅक्टली माहिती नाहीये की कसं घ्यायचं ते, बिकॉज दॅट इज रेअरली अवेलेबल. ते सगळ्यांनाच मिळतं असं नाहीये. सो आय विल पर्सनली टेल यू की ते कसं घ्यायचं.
चालेल.
Rest? Everything fine? Enjoy?
मस्त सेशन.
Hope आपण सगळे, मी पण थोडीशी टमी कमी होईल माझी, घरी येऊन थोडंसं वाढलंय, गाल पण वाढले दिसतायत.
काही नाही, तू पहिल्यापेक्षा खूप छान बारीक झालीस.
Cool. पूजा, आय विल कॉन्टॅक्ट यू, आणि बाकी ज्यांनी कोणी सेशन थोडंसं मिस केलंय त्यांनी प्लीज मला पर्सनली पिंग करा. लेट मी सी व्हॉट आय कॅन डू.
Sure.
चलो, सी यू टुमॉरो at 7 p.m.
Bye.
Bye. Good night.
Bye.
Problem with audio, but super obsession that the techniques are everything wrong now. Just don't turn.
हे कर ना. Leave.
तरी आय एम रीडिंग की नुपूरनी वगैरे काहीतरी लिहिलंय, सो आय वॉज जस्ट चेकिंग की काय काय मेसेजेस आलेत.
नाही, मी माझ्या मुलाला म्हणते लिव्ह.
So good to see you both after long. खूप वर्षांनी पाहते.
हो, खूप वर्षांनी.
खूप फरक पडलाय आमच्यामध्ये जास्त.
माझ्या
ऍक्च्युअली अपूर्वा मी ते डाउनलोड केलं ना, तो हेल्दी तू सांगितलीस ना मला, आणि एक चपातीमध्ये 85 कॅलरीज आहेत. मी काय म्हणजे त्यांची चपाती एवढी असणार, अपूर्वाला माहिती आपली चपाती केवढी असते.
ते मी सांगणार आहे जेव्हा मी प्लॅन देईन ना तेव्हा सांगेन, आणि ग्रुपवर पण मी जसं जसं मला आठवते तसं टाकत जाईन. ट्राय टू रिप्लेस युअर चपाती बाय भाकरी, आणि भाकरी पण ट्राय टू कीप इट छोटा.
कॉफी
म्हटलं फुल मोठी नाही खायची.
तुला मी अपूर्वाला माहिती कोल्हापूरला आपल्या केवढी मोठी होती.
म्हणून सांगायला लागतं मला की एकतर प्लेट पण कमी करा तुमच्या, आणि असं कमी खावा, पोटात जागा राहिली पाहिजे, असं वाटलं पाहिजे की आपण जेवलोय पण अजून भूक आहे, असं तसं राहील.
आणि मॉर्निंगला कॉफी चालते ना.
मॉर्निंगला कॉफी ओके. डोंट स्टार्ट युअर डे विथ टी और कॉफी. हॅव सम फ्रूट, थोडासा कुठलंही फ्रूट खाल्लं तरी चालेल. ऍसिडिक बॉडी असेल तर
ऍसिडिक आहे, खूप ऍसिडिटी.
पायनॅपल खाऊ नको. हॅव सॉलिड फ्रूट ऍज इन ऍपल खा चालेल, गुआवा खा चालेल, बनाना खाऊ नको, चिक्कू खाऊ नको. अजून काय खाऊ शकते? पोमोग्रॅनेट, बेस्ट फ्रूट. पोमोग्रॅनेट, ऍपल, दीज आर द बेस्ट फॉर मॉर्निंग्स. सकाळी खाऊ शकता. डू नॉट स्टार्ट युअर डे विथ टी और कॉफी. हे मी पुढच्या सेशन मध्ये सांगणारच होते. ट्राय टू अवॉइड. डोंट, खूप लोकांना आपल्याला इंडियन्सला असते सवय की उठल्या उठल्या चहा ठेवायचा मग ब्रश करायचा. नो, डोंट डू दॅट. व्हेरी बॅड हॅबिट. मी पण करत होते, मी पण थोडा थोडा कमी केलंय मी.
पण आता एक्सरसाइज मध्ये खूप हे म्हणजे स्टॅमिना नाही ऍक्च्युअली एक्सरसाइजचा. घरात बसून
15 दिवसात एक्सरसाइज रोज करून आहे ना, जाणवेल की आपल्यामध्ये स्टॅमिना इन्क्रीज झाला. हाऊ यू शुड टेक इट अहेड. डोंट स्टॉप. दिस इज जस्ट अ स्टार्ट.
अपूर्वा, जेवल्यानंतर फ्रूट खाल्लं चालते काय ग?
जेवल्यानंतर खाऊ नका. जनरली जेवायच्या आधी जे काही खायचं ते कच्चं किंवा फ्रुट्स आहेत ना, ते तुम्ही आधी खावा, आणि त्याच्यानंतर मग थोडंसं जेवलं तर चालेल. जेवण कमी करा. फ्रूट सॅलड भरपूर वाढवा. ओके, ठीक आहे. चलो, आय एम जस्ट बाय. सी यू टुमॉरो. बाय बाय.
बाय.
दीदी सिमरनला बोलायचं ना.